back to Sharmone's Kitchen. Today in the kitchen, we will be making stuffed turkey burgers. To go with that, we're gonna make some Thousand Island dressing to top it off. Okay, so let's go ahead and get started. Now, what I'm gonna do also is I'm going to fry my onions in batter to top it off with that. And guess what? I'm also gonna make one of those stuffed turkey burgers with an egg. Amazing taste. You should try it. So I'm going to start with 1 pound of ground turkey burger. And then I also have a teaspoon of seasoning salt. And then I also have a teaspoon of garlic powder. Let's go ahead and put that in there.
Teaspoon of garlic powder. Very simple meal, filling, and the family will love it.
Now you can do this a couple ways here. You can bake it, broil it in your toaster oven, or put it on a grill, or also you can fry it on top of the stove. Today, I will be putting it in the broiler toaster oven, okay? So, you're gonna divide. Now, however big you wanna make your turkey burgers, you just divide it, and that's what you're gonna stuff with the cheese, okay? So I'm gonna make sure I got all the seasonings on both. And then I'm going to open a hole inside of my turkey burger that I'm trying to form. So before you form it, you're going to go ahead and open it. I have mozzarella cheese and also sharp cheddar, a mixture. You can put any type of cheese that you may like inside of your burger, okay? So we're going to do inside mozzarella cheese and also sharp.
Mix that up. You want to place it inside, however much you can take, okay? And I'm going to fold it over and form it with the cheese inside, okay?
Here we go. Let's go ahead and do the next one. Don't forget, you're going to open a hole inside and you're going to stuff it, okay? Let's go ahead and get that stuffed. One more good time so we can have some good old gushy cheese inside. And then I'm going to form it. Okay, you cut. Okay, so now that I have the turkey burger stuffed, what we're going to do now is place it in the oven for about the toaster oven for about 15 to 20 minutes, okay, on 350 degrees. Let's go ahead and do that because sometimes turkey burger takes a little longer to cook. So 15 to 20 minutes, you will put it in the oven. So to add to the stuffed turkey burger, what I'm going to do is I'm going to fry some onions. So what I did is cut up a half of.
You want
onion. Also, I have like 2 cups of flour in a plate, and I added a 1/4 teaspoon of salt, a 1/4 teaspoon of pepper inside of my flour. So you can take vegetable oil or olive oil and grease your pan, okay, or your pot. You can deep fry it or you can just fry it on top of the grease where you don't have to use as much, whichever way works for you. But make sure that grease get hot. And by knowing that, sometimes I'll sprinkle a little water and make sure I hear the sizzle come up before I do that. Okay, so now I'm hearing the sizzle. We're gonna go ahead and, like I said, I cut up a half of onion and I try to keep it together, and we're just gonna mix it around in our flour. Make sure you get the whole onion, okay? So I got the whole onion sizzling. Okay, so like I said, I'm gonna go ahead and make sure flour is covered all over. So what I did at first, I peeled the onion, rinsed it off, and make sure you dry the onion off, maybe with a paper towel, so that the flour can stick good. And you go ahead and place it inside the pot.
First impression, you OPN, we should be closer than friends.
So now while we got the burger cooking, what I'm going to do is go ahead and get some Thousand Island dressing ready and made to go on top of the burger. Okay, so let me give you the ingredients for that. We're going to go ahead and do a 1/2 cup of mayo. You can use light mayo or regular mayo, whichever one works for you. Okay, I'm going to do a teaspoon and a half of relish. Okay, I'm going to use a teaspoon of ketchup, 2 teaspoons of ketchup. To top it off, I'm going to use 2 teaspoons of sriracha sauce, or you can also use hot sauce. And I'm also going to use a teaspoon of salt.
Okay, we're gonna go ahead and get that stirred up. Go ahead and get that Thousand Island dressing ready.
Now you can add all of your ingredients as needed as you taste it, and it's not according to your taste or how you like it. Maybe you want it a little sweeter, a little bit more relish, or a little thicker to make it a little bit more mayo or ketchup on it.
Okay, so I got the
Thousand Island dressing ready there. Okay, so what we're going to do is get 1 egg crack, and we're going to make a sunny side up egg for my burger. So you can kind of play with your burgers and put any type of toppings you want on it. Bacon, turkey bacon, whatever that you and your family likes, that's what you can top the turkey burger off with. Today I'm going to use a sunny side up egg. So I already got my pan greased. I put a half a teaspoon of butter, and I let the pan get hot, and I'm going to go ahead and cook my eggs. Stop it. Okay, so now that we got the stuffed turkey burgers ready, and also we have the coated fried onions ready. Only took a few minutes for those. Both sides, make sure they get golden brown. And took a couple minutes for the over easy egg. Okay, let's go ahead and get it started, and then I got the Thousand Island dressing. Okay, let's go ahead.
Okay, let's go ahead and make these burgers. Yeah. So
I went ahead and toasted the buns with just a little bit of butter, and just toasted them for maybe a minute in a pan. Just, you know, you can toast it or not, whatever's good for you and your family. So I'm gonna go ahead and get this first burger ready. Okay guys, so now that we have finished our stuffed turkey burgers, go ahead and take a look. We have the good old Thousand Island dressing with the fried onion that's coated with a breading, stuffed the turkey burger with cheese, and also put an egg on top of this burger. Delicious quick meal for you and your family. And I want to tell you guys, thank you so much. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment on this page, YouTube page, and also don't forget to follow me on Facebook at Sharmone Snyder. As I always say, we really appreciate you. Thanks for tuning in. Thanks for your time. From my family to yours, y'all have a blessed day, and we'll see you next time. Take care.